If you're a dog lover like me, you would know the mess they create at the rear seat of your car. If you don't want such a scenario in your vehicle, especially in the monsoon times, let's check out an accessory for the car, which is the car seat cover for the rear seats in this video. Let me review the quality of things, how is it easy to install or not, and most important, if your furry friend likes it or not. So before I proceed, please subscribe to Left Lane Driver channel and hit that bell notification icon so you get notified about each video upload. Here comes the first stage. Where did I buy it from? Yeah, just like you assumed, from Amazon. I bought it for 1450 bucks. And looking at the reviews, only 17 people had bought it at that time. But I thought to give it a shot. Can't be much of a risk, right? And it had 3.9 stars out of 5, which was another set of risk. But the amount and the user friendliness or the need was the reason to buy it. So I bought it and the pack arrived in just 2 days. The packing was lightweight, and as you can see, the material quality looks decent. The unpacking was not much of a hassle. It did not require much of a space in the room to just unfold it. It was neatly packed. Let me zoom out a little. Yeah. The material quality looks decently good. The size of it also decently good. Not sure if it can fit every car, but any car which is sub 4 meter, this thing should work fine. The straps and the plastic hooks and the clips, they can be a little better. I'm not too sure with a golden retriever full size or any dog which is above 30 kilo in weight can tear it apart or not. That time will tell. Installation in the car did not require for me more than 3 minutes, max 4. The installation is quite easy. You do not need an installation user manual for this, obvio, and the manufacturer knew this. They didn't give you any paper or the print just to install it. It's a no-brainer. It's a very simple thing to install. It goes easy with all the headrests in the rear seat. Both the headrests have straps. Even for the front seat headrests, you have got flaps. And the strap can be adjusted for the length. So you make sure there is not enough stress on the straps so the stitching does not come out. Important part, let's check the liquid test. That's a little bit squirt. Yeah, it's easy to clean. No problem there. The moment of truth. Will the furry friend like it? Let's see. Yeah, she is a princess. We don't do things on our own until we get a treat. So yeah, a little help over there. She's liking it already. She's sniffing around. Something new is there in her usual place. Yeah, and she quickly adjusted. Whoa, too good. She's already liking it. No problem whatsoever. Full thumbs up, and that tail wagging has just confirmed it. Do I get a treat with this? Yeah, you wonder. So from this kind of a messy rear seats, to this, where you can save hundreds and hundreds of bucks of seat cleaning. What do you say? The interior cleaning, as they call it. Yep, you can save it. The material quality looks good, and here is my verdict. I would give a decent rating to this. It was delivered fairly quickly in 2 days. Pricing is not hefty, the hole in the pocket is not there. Material quality is also reasonable. Installation is quite easy, so I would give it a 3 out of 5. There are some more reviews of more car accessories up on your screen. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you in the next one. Please like, share this video and comment your feedback in the comment section. Until next time, take care.